Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Let's get straight into the chart. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. This is just for fun. We are starting with Nasdaq. That's the daily chart on Nasdaq. And I can see a triangle here, triangle pattern. And right now that is a bearish pattern, which could mean that we are going to break to the downside. So even though I've been watching these levels, for me not sure if I'm going to go long here unless we break out of this triangle, we break to the upside. Let me just measure the price targets out of this triangle that I see. So here's this triangle, and let's measure the from the top to the bottom. And if we break to the downside, then probably we will get to 13,300. Shall we break out to the upside out of this triangle pattern? We could come to 15,020. Maybe on the 4-hour chart this could also be like a W pattern, a bottoming pattern. So I'm waiting to see. Maybe this afternoon we will break out somewhere out of this triangle pattern. Good. Let's go over to Sp500, and this is the daily chart on the Sp500, and a little bit similar triangle pattern here. So this could also be a W pattern here. Let's wait and see what happens here and where are we breaking out. Of course, right now we touched this support line for 320, and it would basically mean that we are going to the towards the upper end, which is not here but 4,400. So shall we break above 4,400, and 4,490 could be the target. We had this head and shoulder pattern, we broke to the downside, and right now this triangle pattern suggests that we might continue the downward trend. We will see probably this afternoon. Dow Jones, let's go over to Dow Jones and see what is happening there. That's the daily chart on Dow Jones, and yeah, could be a W pattern, could be a triangle pattern. I need to wait and see what happens and how it develops, because all the other indices, I have fears that we will continue the downward trend. I'm not sure. We will see. Now let's go over to Germany. Daily chart on the German index, and this could also be a bullish triangle pattern here, or a bearish wedge, suggesting that we will come down all the way down to the bottom. I'm watching these levels here. Are we going to break down? Then 15,300 is my price target. Below 15,300, this next support level is the price target at 15,130. Below that 15,040. Below that 14,984, and more importantly 14,915, and of course previous low 14,832. So I have fears that the indices will break to the downside. We will see. I'm really curious what's going to happen when Germany opens today. Let's go over to Nikkei, Japanese index. Nikkei, we are below 26,830, so probably we are on our way to 26,186 or the previous low here. Here I'm watching the support and resistance lines here as well. Let's go over to Russel. So let's have a look at the daily chart on Russel. And we are this could also be a bullish wedge, but we are at the lower part of this range. If we do break down below it, then let me see, 1,880 is the next price target. Below there, 17